see how we're going to do this here. We don't know.
Page 2 or 3?
Yeah, go page 2 is probably the easiest here, because they're all on one page that way.
You can take this page and get it all.
Yeah, that's the one that has them all.
I figured you kind of said, okay.
Yeah, I'm going to read it through one time, and then we'll just do one circle through the room. Rogo and Phila imala haklia savlian ochjeg shaska kuig. Vas sligach the winchar water. Baglidor aher, agus ego maas, ach jairi shias and narim show, hun vein a fainter lan amshaha. Vi a chlana hogar leis go sasana, oitcha hui William skull. Vi an ugnas an shin, agus niwer free na harish ach Phila chligach. Quiera, began the winchar Yeats Phila Aaron, cal arrogage. Vi coni orcha man either, agus buan arinya W.B. Yeats, Gian Wachanov. Chursha seems sa vilioch sa valsunacht agus sa nasúnachas. Agus in ar og, hanig sé fui anal John O'Leary, an Shan Inin, a sprage chun ansim a chur, biskeelta agus a goltor na heran. Dil si go London fet Tamil, wo si le skrif noriella, agus fai si o cuid beg da chuid danta. Cura mad gan in na do, agus hit sé ang rale turch. Na siúni di grasach bui a mad, agus spare van a reb antora urhi mask na var. Okay, so what I'm going to do is give you each a line to go around and do, and I'll help you through the parts that I have trouble with. So, you want to kick us off here?
Is it Rugo?
Rogu
Rogu. Rogu an Fia,
and Phila,
an Phila, Imala Ahaclia, Sablan,
Sablian,
Blin, Och Jag, Shaska Ahui.
Ochjeg, Shaska, Kuig.
Och Jag, Shaska Ahui.
Okay.
Vasligach the Wincher Awaher.
Okay.
Yes.
If you want me to prompt you, I could do that too. That would help.
Well.
Okay. Okay. Lidor.
Lidor Acher, Agus Egoma,
Agus ego maas. There should really be a comma there, I think. They didn't have it in the text, but I think there should be one there.
Irish.
Jairishe. Asan naram.
Naram. Shoshan.
Chun.
Shokun.
Ve.
Ve.
In a fainter.
Fainter. Lanas.
Emshirha.
Hampshire.
Okay. Girls, they were a cather.
Díar an chlan a trogal
A hogar.
chogáil leis go sasna áilte
Hui.
chuia
A hui.
chuia
Hui. Yeah.
Hui.
Hui.
William Skull.
Matthew.
Bhí an Agnes
An Uignas.
Agnes ar an sin agus nu raibh
Hui.
Hui na Harris na Felix ar Schlag.
There. Huigach. Yeah. Okay. Polly.
Fujera,
Fuyera.
Friera, Egan,
Bagan.
Bagan, Joe Wincher Yates,
Oh, that's my phone.
Aaron, Kate Eric,
Cal Arrogage.
Eric,
Therese.
Thanks. The Konya,
Coney.
Tony, Arthur,
Orha.
Arthur, the
Man Ader.
Man Eder,
Agus
Ba Ina,
Bian or
Ba
Buyan
Ein,
Arinya.
Arinya. Can I just say WB?
W.B. Yeats, yeah.
Yates.
Gian Wachanov.
DM Wakana,
Uh-huh. Okay, Sean.
Quersha sim Safilia,
Mhm.
Safilsuna, Agus Nashuna,
Nashunachas.
Nashuna.
Okay. Catch them.
Agus é ina fear
Na our ode.
ina ar ó tháinig sé faoi an áil.
Fui anal.
John O'Leary an Shan Inin
Shan Inin, yeah.
a spraig ar chun an sún
Unseen.
an sin a chur is scéalta agus a culture na hera.
Wow.
Díl sé go London ar fá Tamil
bhfuil sé le scríbneoirí eile agus bhfuil sé cuid beag do chuid thanta.
Cru má gan áhanna de agus hit sé an rá le an search.
That's it.
Don't look at me.
Okay.
Nashuni,
Nashuni.
Geograshna, Boy,
Buya.
Buya.
You can say buya or baya. Yeah, buya.
Buya, Maud, August, Spervan, Arev, on tour, Orgi, Imashk, Navar.
Okay, now I'm going to read it through one more time, and then we'll.
What's that other way you can say it? Booyah or bar?
Baya or buya.
Say that again?
Baya or buya.
Ba'ah?
Yeah.
Bala Abuya.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to read it through one more time, and then we'll pick up here. So, Rogo and Phila imala achlia, Savlian ochjeg shaska akuig. Vas sligach the wincher a waher. Baglidor a aher, agus ego maas, ach jari shias an garam shaw, chun ve in a fainter lan amshirha. Vi erach lan a hogar leis go sasana, aich a hui William skull. Vi an ugnas an shin, agus nu pfui na harish, ach Phila chligach. Fui era began the winter Yeats Phila in Kial Aragich. Vi coni ortha man eder, agus buan a rinyo W.B. Yeats, Gian Wachanov. Horsha sim Seviliach, Sevalsunach, agus in Ashunachus. Agus in og, honig shifwi anal John O'Leary, and shen inin a sprage hun ansimachur iskelta agus a gultur na heron. Dilshig a London fer Tomwell, wo shell a scrib noriella, agus farsio quidveg da chud danta. Kuru madgan an achnadó, agus hitching rale turch. Na siúni de grasach buia mad, agus sperven rev antor urhi mesk na ver. So I'm going to pass out the questions, but we're not going to really go through them, so you can add them to your collection. I don't really want to continue with this next week, so. Want an exercise, you can try answering them, but I'm not going to really check on it or anything. I'm actually going to post all the lessons again I'll continue posting them. I think we had a couple corrections, so if you want to get a clean copy, I'll have a corrected one posted. Otherwise, got a mahagir galer as chacht, I guess, Slamnev galer awalia, I guess.
History class Monday night.
Biggie Kuramach, yeah, so history class will be Monday night. Colin Lyman's going to be doing it, and it's on Irish in World War II.